For the sky replacement feature in Adobe Photoshop, you need the version 22, which was released in October 2020. And after you open Photoshop, you just have your image with a sky, and you go to Edit, Sky Replacement, and you have here multiple options. And now you have another sky. You can choose from blue skies, spectacular, like this one, or sunsets, like this one. Yeah. After you choose and done your selection, you can play with these options right here with the Shift Edge. Press OK, and you see that Photoshop made some layers above your original image, which is great because it's non-destructive and you can always make your edits. Don't forget to like and subscribe.